Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to see promotions in the Bird application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you're done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your left corner and there you will see two lines. Press on it and in this page you should just select the first option, which is promotions. And in this page you will be able to see your promotions. Now in my case I don't really have any promotions because I'm new in this application, but other than seeing promotions here, you can also add the promo code if you have one. You can just press on here and enter the promo code, and yeah, pretty much this is all about it. This is all about what you can do in this page. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.